Isn't it weird when you look back on life and wonder how you got to where you are today? This was my life then. It was just me, Aaliyah, and our little pup, Rosie. As a single dad, I thought I had it all, and for a long time, I did. Then I met this girl. Her name was Catherine. We met in 2014. She moved into the house across the street from me with her daughter Layla. Layla was her life. It didn't take long for our families to connect. Something just fit. Fast forward to 2017, I decided to seal the deal and ask Catherine to marry me. She was on cloud 9. On June 17th, we got married. Surviving with 3 women in the home is nothing short of a miracle. The bathroom is always occupied. One of the 3 is usually crying, and 9 times out of 10, somebody is always dancing. Looking back on my life, I never would have guessed that this is where I'd be. This is my life, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.